have, oh look, I love this so much. I've got a German one. Have a look. Look at this guy. Hi guys, so for today's video I have a super exciting one that I can't wait to show you. I've been out all day with my mum in town, so I'm looking a bit like dishevelled. And I have a crater on my face, which I'm not very happy about, but I thought I'd quickly film this one because this came before I left, but I didn't have a chance to film. And I figured I have my makeup on. Rudy is over there playing, so we might get a whole video with that little head bopping up. But I have the Lush Kitchen Ninja Turtles backs here. How stunning is this? For collabs, this is right up my street. I love anything 90s. I'm a 90s baby. Actually, I think they're way older than the 90s. I think they're about 50 years old, the Ninja Turtles, something like that. But I used to be obsessed with the cartoon when I was younger. Obviously, they've got the movies out and stuff. I don't know if they have a new generation, not generation of turtles, but like a new, for like kids now, like a new turtle show. I don't know. There might be. But anywho, we have this collab. Gosh, I'm so excited. And then we have the actual collaboration coming out in the shop with other products. I think it also has the bath bomb that is in here as part of that collection, which is nice. When that collection comes out, I'll purchase. I'm probably not going to get all of it. There's some bits that don't appeal to me too much scent-wise, like the shampoo bar doesn't appeal to me. It's Smuggler's Soul scented, and I'm not the massive fan of that, so I probably won't get the shampoo bar. But I will get the rest, I think, to show you guys. So yay. But I figured I'll show you this now because the collection's coming out in a few days, so I want to try and eke them out a bit for you guys. But let's open it. Sorry, I've got cinematic on, it's not focusing. There we go. Which way do you open this sucker? Oh, it says open here. I've got bloody nails on, and I don't usually wear nails, but I put some on for the come on. I can't get in it. For the event that I barely went to. What the fuck? God damn it. I don't want to ruin this box. It's a masterpiece and I'm keeping it. That was a very difficult one to get in, so let's open her up. I can't see what's going on. Oh, shit. So you open it up and you have, which fell out, you've got the little product list for the info of the naked products, which all of it is all of it naked? Well, I mean, it's plastic free because it's plastic free July, I think it is. So some of it is in packaging, but it's not plastic. And then we have, oh no, look at it. How adorable. We've got, so it says Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Donatello. I love this so much. I've got a German one. Have a look. They've put a German one in there, so I don't know what this says. It says, I'm Alf der Lauer, if you're German. I think it's something, turtles in a half shell, I think that is, or live in a half shell or something, that they've made a pun of. Und immer etwas schlau. I can't speak German. Okay, so that's in German, never mind. So the first thing I can see sticking out is the bath bomb, so I will grab it. And I have got the purple one, which is Donatello. People have been saying this is big. I did not expect it to be this big. Look at this guy. That's bigger than the Intergalactic. Wowza. I think is it Ave bath scented, I think it's meant to be. Oh, gorgeous. And there is 4 soaps in these to collect, depending on which guy you get. So I've got Donatello. What would be in his? I can't think, to be honest. Is Donatello the angry one, or is that Raphael? I can't remember. What's in here? Is there a skateboard in here? I'll pop the soaps I'll pop the 4 brothers, and then I'll pop the soaps that you get inside each, but they're all different, which is exciting. So this is the bath bomb that you can also purchase in the collection. So if you get the kitchen box and you get one guy, but you want the others, you can buy them when they come in store, which is wonderful. That scent is beautiful. When I got this box in the post, I could smell it straight away. It's just lovely citrus, refreshing vibes. This guy, I love him. So I'm almost certain he's aloe bath scented. So it's full of citric acid, fresh oregano infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil. You've got some lemongrass oil in there, bergamot oil, organic virgin coconut oil. Got loads in there. He's a very refreshing citrus little fellow. And you can't go wrong with that scent, I don't think. Love him. Got Rude a new dummy and a silicone teething thing that you can clip on. So the dummy doesn't fall, because we've lost 2 dummies in 2 days and I'm just over it. Because then, like, to buy them every 2 days, it's a £5 every 2 days. So I got him a little silicone teething thing, and he's entertaining himself perfectly fine over there in his little play thing, just chewing on this silicone thing, so yay. Next up, we've got him pulling out the soap. So this soap is Shredder in the Dark. He's very much in the dark there, you can't see him too much. And this is Demon in the Dark scented. Shredder in the Dark. This soap's a little skinnier than what they usually are. They're usually a tiny bit chunkier, but that's fine. So you would assume this glows in the dark, because I believe the Demon in the Dark does glow in the dark as well. So we'll have a look. Obviously, if you're new here, feel free to follow me, because I do shorts and try out all of these products for you guys, so you can have a look at them. There's something going on here. So I would assume once you've charged him up in the light, he would glow in the dark and become Shredder. So here's hoping. But anyway, you can't go wrong with that scent. It is a beautiful minty, but it's different than just mint. So in it, you've got rapeseed oil, you've got coconut oil, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, clove bud oil. So you've got gardenia extract, citric acid. It all comes together to make a really beautiful scent. It is minty, but it's also a bit citrusy. It's tiny bit clovey, I think. Actually, no, it's a bit more than a tiny bit, but it all comes together as a really nice infusion of scents, and I like this scent a lot. It used to be one of my favourites when I was younger. Gorgeous. Next up, I'm pulling out, which I have not tried, and this is huge. This is girthy. This is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Kitchen Fun exclusive, and obviously it's plastic free, so it's in a cute little Ninja Turtle wrapper, which I'm gonna be keeping because I love stuff like this. Oh, how do you get into this without ripping it open? I ripped it. There was no other way of getting into it. Wow. And I want to show you guys what it looks like, obviously. So, that's so cute. That is the fun. So you've obviously got the big massive amount of green, then you've got the turtle color, so you can pop their little bandanas on them. So yeah, it shows you, there's some sort of little instructions on this paper here. I don't know what. Is it to make a bandana? I'm not too sure what's going on there. But this is, I think this is what the fun, that smells really good. Smells like, I think this is what the usual fun smells like. I've never tried fun before, I won't lie. So this to me smells really nice. It smells like sweeties. So you've got Brazilian orange oil in there, Sicilian red mandarin oil, grapefruit oil, Sicilian lemon oil, Litsi Cubia oil, lime oil, chamomile blue oil, lavender oil. You've got loads in there. That is a very nice scent. Really like sweet, but with a citrus punch. Like a citrus squash that you drink or something. Very nice. I don't know if it's melting a bit slightly here with the little... It's not that hot today in the UK, but it is still hot. Like I had to come home from town because I'm excited. But that's probably my hormones. This is gorgeous, but I don't know how much I'm going to use it. So, I don't know. Rude's too young for it, or else it'd be like perfect for a child, you know? Or someone who's really artsy. I used to be artsy, but now I don't have the time to be artsy. So. But that's adorable. I love that. You get a big old chunk of it as well, which is fabulous. Isn't that amazing? Next up, this is cute. I think this is what is broken in a lot of people's, but mine is not broken, thank goodness. You've got the little shower bomb, I think this is. He's okay, he's just going, rah, 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 rah. That's his new skill that he loves doing. That is stunning. What is that smell? It smells very familiar. So in this one, he's adorable. He's got glitter all over him. This is a shower bomb, but I'm like, can you just use this in the bath? Because this looks stunning. And I feel like it's such a waste going down the drain in a shower. Maybe I'll have a shower, but put the plug in so I can appreciate it all, you know. So this is full of citric acid, cream of tartar, Sicilian lemon oil, green mandarin oil, rosemary oil, sage oil, Yeah. So this is a very citrusy based box, which I'm all about. Citrus is my favourite. I feel like citrus is a very safe scent. Now I know some people say Lush are a lot of citrus scents, and they do, but are they not all just gorgeous, you know? So you can't go wrong, can you? What scent is this? I remember seeing the list when this came out and it said all the scents next to it, and I think a lot of them are previous Lush scents, but I have smelled this, but I can't put my finger on it, or I smelled something similar. I'll pop the scent here for you. I'll find it out when I edit the video. But I think this has got ooze in or something. So it says, oh, okay, so it says snap in half or bring the whole thing in the shower. Gently hold under running water, and as it foams into a jelly-like texture, sweep over your skin to cleanse. Oh, okay, interesting. Fun. That'll be super exciting to try. Love it. And then finally, we've got a solid perfume in a little tin. Don't you just love it? There we are, just a regular solid perfume. This is go green scented. So it's got organic jojoba oil, organic castor oil, candilia wax, bergamot oil, cedar leaf oil, celery seed oil, fennel oil, grapefruit oil, lots of oils, neroli oil, sandalwood oil, this is full of stuff, thyme oil, vetiver oil, violet oil, violet leaf, absolutely, that's full of stuff, wowza. It is a very green, fresh scent, very like leafy shrubbery vibes. It gives me, you know, when you walk past a real shrubby smelling shrub, it sort of smells like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but very leafy, really green, really nice. That is nice, but I never get any use out of solid perfumes, I won't lie, so I won't be keeping this. But nonetheless, it is a very nice scent, I won't lie. So yeah, that's what we've got for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collaboration kitchen box. I love it. I'm sorry, but part of the reason, I don't care how sad this is, half of the reason was because I want this box and I want this. And I mean, it's a little unfortunate that it's in German, but I'll have to learn German. Not joking, but that's fine. Anyone else get a German one who's in England? Yeah, but part of the reason that I wanted this collection was for the box, and I have the box now. I'm not taking it apart. It's going on my little Lush shelf and it's going to look stunning. Yes, but I'm very excited for that collaboration. It was really nice. All the products are very good from first impression. That fun is very substantial. You're going to get a lot of uses out of that. You can use it as multi-use, so it's, I think you can use it as a bubble bath, shampoo, body wash. It's all very versatile. And that bath bomb is going to be sick. And yeah, I like all of it really, but like I said, the only thing I'm not going to keep is that. That's not because it doesn't smell good. It does. It just, I don't use these. I don't find use for them, unfortunately. And I like body sprays and perfumes more. But yes, if you guys got this collab, let me know what you thought of it. Hopefully your guys' box came intact as well. But yeah, I love this. Let me know what your favourite product is out of all of it. Mine is definitely, of first impressions, this guy, and I think he's going to be fabulous in the bath. So, yay! Okay, we're going to say bye. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.